Alright, ake siphinde ke sikubingelele sekwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenyi ibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo sikuthembisa online njengoba ke sibukhoma si live nje manje ngiyathemba ukuthi ke konke kusahamba kahle sekwethulela iyona ke iMatric Awards yakhona lapha eThembisa Matric Awards siyethulelwa ke uyena ke uBM B&M Mkhize Foundation siyabahalalisela ke abafundi othisha nhloko izikole ngokuhlukahlukene kwazo standing with the top achiever okuyena kumfundi obashaye bonke emakhanda la endaweni yaseThembisa uzosichazela ukuthi yena igama lakhe ubani nanokuthi imfihlo yakhe ihamba kanjani bakhona ke othisha nhloko bezikole ke okuyilona ezona eziloko iphikisana ngo number 1212 lapha ke eJiyane Secondary School kanjalo neThembisa West nabo sizokhulumisana nabo sawubona
yebo.
Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila. Ubani igama mhlawumbe ungakhuluma nabantu abakubuka nje manje igama okwabani kanjalo nje?
Okay, mina ngegama uLwandle wakwaMasuku.
Uhlala laphi?
Ngihlala eKanana.
Uhlala eKanana. Yi madoda. Ufunda eThembisa West Secondary School. Uzizwa kanjani to be a top achiever in Thembisa?
Impela ngijabule kakhulu.
How old are you?
18.
Una 18. Yeah. Wenze kanjani? Usebenze kanjani? Yini obuyenza, yini obungayenzi ukuze ube la ukhona?
Ngasho ukuthi ukufunda kakhulu vele wazi ukuthi wena ufunani usebenzele ukuthola into oyifunayo.
Ububani obekusupporta through your journey of studying?
Umndeni wami, abangani bami, bonke nothisha silekelela.
Uyawudlala Facebook or WhatsApp?
Facebook anginayo.
Awuna. Oh, so nje social media nje.
WhatsApp ukhona.
Okay. Ngibuziswa yini ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi angithi bayaye bethi social media inokubambezela. What has been your observation when through your journey? Yini ekusize ukuthi ufocus?
Yeah, vele social media vele inokuphazamisa. That's why always ngaphambi kokuthi ngiyobhala bengiwa delete vele. Kusali WhatsApp kuphela. Kodwa amanye ama social media yakusiza njengo YouTube kanje. Wona uyawadinga so awukwazi ukwa delete. Ukubheka ama video akhona iwona kusiza.
Wow, you are so humble. Congratulations. Ufisa ukufundelani ke njengoba usula siyazi ukuthi you are going to a university. Iziphi izifundo ozozenza?
Ngiyofunda i-actuarial science eVets.
Oh, yenzani kumayelana nani lokho?
Abantu angikwazi ukuyichaza, ngikwazi ukuyichaza.
Okay.
But
ayina profession.
Ikhona profession kodwa i-complicated.
Oh, it's very complicated. Ufuna ube ne-maths ube ne-science.
Yebo.
Ungathini nje esikoleni i-support from abo-teacher no-principal?
Bona bazamile impela ukusiza umzamo yabo yonke.
Yeah.
Ukuthi siphumelele kahle.
Thank you, congratulations.
Ngiyabonga.
Awuzwe. Awu bakithi umfundi siyabonga kakhulu ke yeah singamdedela. Uyena ke u-top achiever. Sizokhulumisana ke nabo ke othisha nhloko mhlawumbe masingaqala ku number 2. Wo number 1, number 2. Yeah, singathi khama. Okay. Siyaliswapa. Okay. Principal, if you can kindly introduce yourself to the people of Thembisa, tell us which school you're from. Mina nawe sikwazi ukuyibamba and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ntate. I'm Mr. Seleho from Thembisa West Secondary School, the 2024 top performing school in Thembisa.
Yeah. And here you are, you and Gianna, you are like 2-1 nishinjisana with the top spot. Tell us about the achievement in Ibenayo this year and what does it mean to the community of Thembisa and also for the future?
Well, this achievement we dedicated to our learners because they put quite a very, very impressive work. They were very dedicated, and our teachers who made sure that they are going to assist the learners on Saturdays, evenings and Sundays. They dedicated their work towards these learners. And the parents, we want to say to them, they did play a big role in ensuring that our learners are also achieving the results that you said. Thank you to the SGB who also supported these teachers in whatever way they could assist them. And we are very proud because these results, it's hard work. We are just almost close to 100. We are praying for these ones that are here. They promised us 100%. We hope that the 100% is going to come. And Gian is saying both of us will be in 100% this year, and we are looking forward for both of us to be in 100%.
Wow, Mr. Sliwa, congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Uyena ke uthishanhloko wesikole ke samabanga apha ke Methembisa West. Njengamanje sinaye ke the top achiever uyena ke uprincipal walapha ya eGian. Principal, if you can please kindly introduce yourself to the people of Tembisa. Ushele, who are you and kwenzakalani?
Ma'am Ledwaba, the principal of Giana Secondary School. I'm heading the school. We are where we are today because of the teachers. Let me first acknowledge the contribution of the SGB. We worked without any funds. There is this thing called SIP that is subsidizing all the schools in Tembisa. Last year, they called us to say Giana is no longer going to be subsidized by SIP. We had to make means that we offer Saturday school and extra classes. So the SGB came in and gave us funds to run that SIP classes. So I just want to say thank you because we didn't think that we can be where we are outside SIP that is offered by Saibono. But our teacher, through dedication, through discipline, and also I used to tell them that there are 5 P's, which is proper planning prevents poor performance. So we used to talk with our teachers. I encourage them. Sometimes I do motivate even the learners. Learners who are struggling, good at identifying them, call them to my office and talk to them. And I believe that thing, it does work to our learners. And I believe going forward, we're gonna be getting 100%. That's what we are dreaming, all of us, our dedicated teachers, our learners, together with the community, because we have a problem of discipline in the school, but the CPS are always there assisting us. I say thank you to the community of Tembisa, community of Njonalanga, the parents, everyone who contributed towards this result. This result is yours, and I believe with you, we're going to make a difference to that poor community. Thank you very much.
I know also in your school there's a teacher who gave 100%, if I'm not mistaken. What is your message?
I think we have 100% in 6 subjects.
Wow.
Which is the toughest one is economics. We continuously getting 100% in economics. We continuously getting 100% in geography. Those are the subjects that we did well. Life sciences. This year, it does miracle. It did miracles based on the fact that from maybe 2023, we didn't perform well in life sciences, but this year we got some distinction. I just want to say, even the quality pass rate, we've got this year for the very first time in our district, number 1. That got 82% bachelor pass, which simply means 192 learners out of 234 learners. We send them to universities. That is quality result. We only have 7 learners who got certificate, and then the 34 they got diplomas, which is a very big achievement to us as a school.
Wow. Thank you. Congratulations for being number 1. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much. That was ke uthishanhloko kwesikole salapha eGiana Secondary School uyena ke umama uDidwaba. Njengamanje ke siyivala kahle ke uma ngabe siyivala nensizwa ke uMkhize okuyena ke umsunguli walama awards. I wish kwangathi angathola okuningi ukhabazela ngoba nathi njengoba siyithembisa online silapha nje kungenxa yakhe. Khabazela mawungeza nje eduze kwami. Congratulations mfowethu, siyakuhalalisela.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti Mfanelo. Ngibingelela ababukeli ekhaya bethembisa online, Thembisa as a whole. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu.
There's one thing Khabazela abantu abangayazi, innovating and also making sure ukuthi ke uyawasupport amabhizinisi. Ngikhumbula siyithembisa online, we started this journey with you. You made sure ukuthi you advertise. I think besinabalandeli abawu 600 and here we are namhlanje sinabalandeli about 63,000, but you were already investing making sure ukuthi izinto ziyakhula. Asiqale lapho ngaphambi ukuthi sikhulume ngevision ema awards.
Mfowethu, when we can look at our age group, asithi ama 2K asifall under ama 2K kodwa ama 1K isikhathi sawo siyaphela and siphela thina we are not prepared. So it's all about looking for the future ukuthi makufika retirement age ngizobe ngicomfortable kangakanani. I cannot be comfortable ngokwami kuphela, but by making sure ukuthi ama surroundings wami are right.
Exactly.
Uma ngabe ngibengisho la ngaphakathi wakha ubonda lakho lawo ebondeni uzoba safe mara mawuphumela ngaphandle. Kanti mawenza sure ukuthi uphakamisa nabaseduze kwakho ukunikeza ibalance nestability sempilo ngoba ukhona ukuqhubeka nempilo ungakhathazeki, ukhona ukuqhubeka nempilo ukhathele ngoba labafoni osukuhamba nabo kulendlela bakubamba ngesandla bathi asiqhubeke sihambe.
Wow. Khabazela, tell us about the vision. We are at an 8th annual Thembisa Matric Awards. Siyabona iyakhula.
Ngijabule kakhulu bhuti Mfanelo. Number one, being invited the former students. And the response was very positive. One nje I can count yaka principal Siliho lokubeka la oku Rachel usebenza la Deloitte. Kuna building enhle la mawungena nje Mall of Africa. She's been promoted to a senior position. From here we have a captain in Waterkloof Yamasoja which come from these awards. We had to Kenzani today, a master of ceremony, showing ukuthi when you are looking after them, you are giving them that confidence yokuthi baqhubeke nempilo kuba yijoka kube ukuthi ekhaya bangibhekile. So acknowledging these kids, it's a vision of saying we are grooming these future leaders. Without us they cannot be anything. They need support from ekhaya. Esiqala kwakunesisho sokuthi it takes a village to raise a child. Ngiyayibona manje imphumela yakhona because nabi confidence yabiyakhula. Uma bephuma la njengalabo abangaba grade 12 ka 2026 uyabona ukuthi baba nentshisakalo ukuthi let's do better and continue excelling. 60, 70, 80% yama top achiever eswa namhlanje ebe attend ama award last year, and it's been a trend for the past 6 years. Nansi enye into emnandi, most izikole bezinga improve zi-improvile ishintshile labade belobethathu number 1 bahlala bo position 15 position 16. So kanjalo iyasijabulisa because siyakhombisa ukuthi iyangenelela. Siyafisa ke ngathi singayikhulisa ngokuthi mhlambe singagcina siye stadium ukuze ibe fair kuwo wonke ama grade 12. Lana sithatha abantwana aba 15 per school. Leso sikhathi isikole sina 200 plus yama matric. So if we can bring more than 100 per school, then we can get same results to 60 or 70 of those learners, which will take the higher education marks up. Gauteng, Thembisa, then we'll be producing quality educated learners.
Your support structure, I see everybody's here from people who work with you and also family and everybody. Tell us about that. La usukhona manje.
We have Bhuti Mfanelo, there's one thing that we started with. Ukuze into ibe success kangaka is to work with people. Number one, uhloniphe wonke umuntu. Then they tend to respect you and tend to want to invest in you, whether financially or whether by support, physically or emotionally. So by the grace of God, hiyo into engayihlomula. That's why namanje bajabulela ukuza inamba efike namhlanje bengayi-expectile ngangokuthi ngibone kugcwala even nangale ndawo engale. So ukusebenza nabantu uhloniphe wonke umuntu, it's a great success because even kwawena ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunendawo eziningi obomele uyeze kuzo kodwa ngendlela esiphilisana ngayo wathi yazini angeke ngamane ngishifte konke lokho kunye ngize la. So ukuhloniphana nokuba nobudlelwano obuhle is the key and into ngeke uzuyithenge ngemali.
Izwi lokugcina Khabazela ngiyafisa ukubona having more sponsors especially mangabe wenza a decade in 2 years time. Your words.
We will be chasing and preparing for a 10th year anniversary starting from this year. So Tembisa Online will be active ngathi because we're planning to do more activities. We've got Ubabu Pilisilikane on board. There are many which are interested to come in. So into ekumele senze thina is to set the mandate straight, sibabonise vision yonke phelele, and then to buy into it. Ku easy kithi ngoba sine track record. That's why ngibekubalela a few of the top achievers which are we know ukuthi bakuphi manje. So 10 years will be the most powerful one where you'll see your premiers, your MECs coming without being invited. So watch even the space, the 2026 class, it will be on another level because we are fully active starting from this year. March, we will have something going forward. And let me say this before I forget. The date for next year awards is set the 23rd of January, same place. So you yonke lento le that will be communicating, but we will be working hand in hand in a Tembisa Online.
Khabazela omunye asikusho akuthina sonke sijabulela ukubona into enhle yenzakala sothi umuntu ngeke sizwe ngomkhize kodwa ke indodakazi yakho yathi baba ngizokwenza uyiqhenye naku uyihonorile. Tell us about that.
Lengane ngenza ngaba emotional because uma ngiyibeka nje Blapa ibisempumalanga and from last year beka excel umntwana waboleka omunye incwadi then waqala wagula. So eguleni kwakhe ebe attenda ngenyanga nje begula ka2 shooting a term ka6. So lento bekumele ngabe imaffectile kakhulu kodwa ngomusa nje kaNkuluNkulu nokuthi naye athi ngifuna ukwenza ubaba proud waphusha. Uma qala ubhala ama exam kuna 2 papers angazange wabhala but out of that waphuma ngama bachelor. Makathola ama results bekakhala ethi ufuna ama 7 ungcona abuyele esikolweni. Kwaba yimo uthi mntanami you have done extremely well under lama circumstances obo ukuwo
Wamukela lokho khona.
Ngathi mina for mina you did extremely well. Ngiyazi ukuthi ube bongaguli ngaba ama distinction abanye laba abonanga ngoba abubashaya emakhanda. So nakhona ngiyabonga kakhulu indodakazi ingenze ngaba proud.
Khabazela ngiyazi wonke umuntu yakudinga nje manje siyabonga bhuti.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti Fanelo, ngiyabonga kuTembisa Online and to the viewers. Ngiyacela nje sibambane siqhubeke siphambili ukuze neTembisa ibe better. It will take you and I to make that improvement. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti.
Cwabeka hayi bakwethu uma ngabe ke sengayivala ukusuka manje kuyobeke sekuyiphuthi. Igama lami mina ke ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Ibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo iTembisa Online angihambi ngedwa ke sikhona ke insizwa asibonge kakhulu ke ngiqale phezulu lapha yayiqhulwini insizwa ke uMahlatse Mashamayede bese kuba uyena ubalele uBrazo Sondlo Derek Shot by Hauser Phukela bese kuba ile insizwe lapha ngwami uThabo uTabe yamvuka sibiya ngiyambona ukashiya iCamera la abuye ingishuthe yodwa abela siyakubonga ke kakhulu lokho into ebalekile ngendlela esimanga naba nabofowethu ovuyo lethu mfuka sibiya lapha ku youth advisory ye premier sibonile bakhona nezinsizwa lapha abafowethu bonke bakhona siyabonga ke kakhulu kubukhosi kanjalo kasinje B&M Foundation nethimba nje lonke nawo wonke umuntu okhona la ngibonile ke nabenhlangano yamatekisi nabo bakhona othisha amaphoyisa nabo bonke nje abantu abakhona siyayivala ke nje manje unqi manje uyayibona